3, 2, 1, go.
All right, the robots are moving. Bovine Intervention and Autobots are both moving into the center. Ooh, looks like Bovine Intervention wasn't able to make it over the bump and ended up just shooting all of the fuel back into the center of the field. Human players are getting involved as well. Some great follow-throughs on the human players there. Perhaps a future balling for them. Autonomous ends tied 18 to 18, it would appear. In this instance, when the autonomous ends in a tie, the FMS will decide randomly who gets first shift. So it looks like the FMS decided that red gets the first shift, and blue gets the first opportunity to be filled with fuel. It's also worth noting here that Life Engineering were not able to get their robot ready for the match and are not present on the field, so the Red Alliance is going to have to do their best to work as a duo to overcome the Blue Alliance. Red shift is ending. 22 points for Red Alliance, 18 points for the Blue Alliance, who are looking to increase the gap in their favor this time as the Bovine Intervention fully unloads their hopper into the hub. 47 points now for the Blue Alliance, 90 seconds left in the match. They are pulling ahead, and they're looking to pull ahead even further as another cascade of fuel comes falling into the hub. A lot of them overshooting, though. Looks like Bovine Intervention a little bit overtuned and missing the hub. Shift change. Time for the Red Alliance to score as many points as they can. 48-21 has sort of parked themselves up against their hub. Doesn't seem to be moving right now. That's not great. Hopefully we'll see some more life from Cyberus as the match goes on. Picking up all the slack on their own now is Ursa Major from Hammond High School, trying to get the last few bits of fuel in before the shift changes, which it has. And we see fuel flying. Human players starting the first volley, followed quickly by the other members. Looks like 770 might be partially beached on some fuel there. They look like their drivetrain is raised, not contact. They're not moving, so maybe they can need a little help from one of their teammates. Maybe they just having some mechanism problems. Last 30 seconds, sound of that whistle. That means both hubs are on, and every team has a chance to score if they can get that fuel into the hub. With 20 seconds left in the match, blue is leading red 81 to 34, but they need to get 100 fuel if they want that extra ranking point. And those ranking points mean everything as Alliance selection looms ever closer. 10 seconds left in the match. 13 more fuel is going to be necessary for the Blue Alliance if they want that ranking point. Let's see if they can get it. 3, 2, 1. That's time. The score shows them having 95, but we'll see how we have the score. The Blue Alliance will win this match with 100 points, 40 points to the Red Alliance. 4 ranking points for the Blue Alliance. Look like they just got that last fuel in that they needed as the time ran down, so that will be great for those teams, and it moves Bovine Intervention, that's 686, into Alliance